Hello, I'll show you the how to install SalePro Saas in your dedicated or VPS server. First, your server need to be support the wildcard subdomain and also have the access of the database root user. That means the user who is have access all the database of that domain where the sale process is installed. After getting those things and extracting the zip file in your root folder, then you hit the domain URL like saleprocess.test. I hit the URL, then the installation window will become. After that, let's go to let's start. Then the step 2, it's check your server requirements. If failed, then you cannot go ahead. As now you can server type select VPS dedicated, as your server is VPS dedicated. Now you type your purchase code and root domain, which is root domain where the sale process is installed, like saleprocess.test. DB prefix for VPS entry you can set anything like SalePro underscore anything, and database host must be local host, database port 3306. Username and password. Username password is the database username which have must be this is the root user which have all the access access of all database in this domain. Keep in mind very carefully, have access all the database in this domain. And this database name is the your landlord DB, where what you created in the your server, it is the landlord DB. Just write the database name, then after submit after submit this in a congratulation window will be shown that the sale process is installed in your dedicated or VPS server.